In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust Rolex Datejust. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly adjust the straps or the bracelet in your Rolex Datejust. This same process will work for other Rolex models, but of course, I'm gonna be focusing on the Datejust in this video. So you will be able to adjust these bracelets from the short to the long position or vice versa. So it is extremely simple to adjust the strap and the bracelet, and you will be able to change it to better fit you. So to start, if you want to adjust from the short to the long position, then these are the steps that you will have to take. Open the strap here and then pull it towards you. Once you pull it towards you, you will be able to expand it like this. So you pull on the bracelet here and the links will expand, creating a gap, as you can clearly see here. Once you pull it towards you and this gap has been created, you push it again into the strap and it will click into place. So it will look like this and it will be essentially reattached to this strap. Now you can close this metal strap and begin wearing it again. Now it is going to be longer. Alternatively, if it is currently set on the long position and you want to make it shorter, then you do the same steps, but you push it towards the metal strap. So you open this metal strap to expose this part, you pull it towards you, and now you undo this gap here. So you push the links together to close the gap. Once you push the links together, just push the actual bracelet or the strap into this metal part. And now it is going to once again click into place. Now it will be shorter and you can try wearing it again to see if it gets better. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Rolex Datejust. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.